Welcome back. We are now in the settings area and we're now going to go to this link that says payment providers. We open up this link. You're going to notice that one of the easiest ways to take payments using Shopify is to set up your account with Shopify, which uses the Stripe interface. Now, you don't need to have a Stripe account in order to do this. Your Shopify payments account is enough. So what you can do here is you can click this button that says Complete Account Setup. And what you can do is write in your employer identification number. You'll then add in your personal details. You'll then be required to write in your banking information. And once you've done that, this blue button will then give you an option for you to complete your account setup. What you can also do is you can use your PayPal account. Now you are automatically set up for a PayPal Express checkout. And once again, after your first sale, you'll be asked to connect your business account to your Shopify account. You can also activate your Amazon Pay account. You'll need to add in your domain information and privacy policy information. You'll then click Next. In order to connect, you'll need to agree to set up as well as follow the terms of service of the arrangement. You can also use third-party payment providers. What you'll need to do is you'll need to write in your third-party provider to make sure that you can connect it to Shopify. In addition to third-party providers, there are also alternative providers, some of which allow you to take cryptocurrency. You can also use manual methods such as bank deposits, money orders, and cash on delivery. So once you've chosen your payment provider, you can then save this information in this section. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.